Hi everyone and warm welcome to my channel, where today I will unbox something different than usual, something really unexpected compared to my other videos, but this will be fun, I hope. So that's something which I will reveal soon, or maybe you can already see from the header of the video, is a surprise to my husband. I know that he was dreaming about it for some time. Alright, so it's a pair of floor-standing loudspeakers, Dynaudio Confidence 30, that I'm gonna unbox. And they are designed and engineered in Denmark. The pair that I'm gonna unbox will be in a color ruby wood. And before we get going, I just really would like to share a little disclaimer for all the audio lovers. If you are looking for an in-depth review of these loudspeakers, any hard test, even a not hard sound test, that is not an intent of my video. I will be sharing a wife perspective, a wife that wants to surprise the husband, unboxes the speakers at home, has no clue about all the pros and cons of these particular loudspeakers. If the sound is profound or just good, who doesn't care that much if speakers are of this particular model or a little bit different. I probably will feel the difference in the audio quality when we will listen to music. I hope so, because I mean these speakers are several times more expensive than our previous ones, which were Elysian 4 from Wharfedale. Well, I mean, I just know that my husband really wanted this particular pair, and yeah, why not to enjoy life and good music? If that sounds okay to you, then keep on watching. Okay, let's see what we have here. A box in a box. A box with some accessories. And some covers. Although, who will want to cover this beauty? Let's see. Maybe we should. Let's unwrap this first. Some more accessories. I'm so curious. Show me the thing. Tam tam tam. Wow, they look more black than I thought. Very interesting nuance of black, but also with a tiny hint of redwood. Oh, here we have it. The first one. I really like the gentle nuance that it has in the color. Way better than it looked on YouTube. And the cover. Let's look from more far away. Nice. And from more far away it looks more black actually, or brownish. Okay, time to take care of the second. Hello there. So here we also have a cover and plenty of wrapping. And here it is. Okay, let's take care of this one as well. Here on the sunlight you can see how the color changes from lighter to darker surroundings. Of course we will have to mount the feet now and do some sound check. So let's do that. Okay, and let's see what we're gonna pair it with. So, as far as I know, this is an advanced music amplifier. That's pretty much all I know about that. Well, of course, it's visible that the brand is N8D and the model is M33. I personally have absolutely nothing to say about it, but it's better be good, because if it's not, then my husband will probably replace it. But wait a moment, I think that it was a different one last time I looked. Oh, okay, he probably has replaced it at some point and I haven't noticed. How do I know? Well, it was another color. Well, I will have to check. In any case, this is the amplifier that will be paired with those new speakers. Yep. And the packaging will be very handy to store. Really good quality wooden package. And can you see in the background then the speaker color? It doesn't really look any red, it looks black. But then on direct sunlight, the color changes a bit. Okay, so this is the final setup. You can see our old speakers in the background, the white ones. Of course, now that we have this different color, it doesn't fit our furnishings at all. I mean, it's clearly too many colors for my eye, but we will be moving soon anyways, so I thought, why not? It's about time then, if we do this change, we do it now, and husband will be happy, and I will also adjust our new furnishings and everything at home so that it doesn't stick out too much when you look at the speakers. This is a subwoofer, right? Or how is it called? It also doesn't match the picture now. But okay, that's to me, who cares about how it looks. Sounds and feels, so the balance between all the senses. All right, everyone, so just one final note after my husband has explored the new setup. It was crazy beautiful, amazing to see his happy, joyful face. According to him, these are the best speakers he has ever tested and owned. But of course, what does the best mean? Practically speaking, well, simply he has nothing to complain about, not even a single. As you know, all speakers have their pros and cons. So I was asking, so what are the cons? And we concluded that perhaps someone who is like a bass junkie wouldn't like to have this particular pair. But otherwise, well, even to me, who is a really basic user, I really appreciate the clarity, the elevated sound performance of these particular speakers. And in addition to all that, the design of the speaker is amazing. I mean, look at that. It's so well shaped. The quality of materials is incredible. And it's a balanced look. It's a balanced purchase. It doesn't only sound good, but it also looks good. So it's something that even I don't have anything to complain about. And pairing with the amplifier that I showed is also a good match, really good match. So overall, happy husband, happy me. I'm a little bit extra happy to hear that these are the speakers for life. That's it, what I wanted to share with you. As mentioned, I will not be doing any sound check because, let's be honest, there is no possibility for a video to explain and translate and be any close to the experience that you would have if you test these speakers live. So I recommend to go and try them live before purchasing if you consider that. Yeah, otherwise I'm curious to hear your experience if you own these speakers. Leave a comment so anyone who's interested can also compare different experiences, or if you would have any question, you can also leave a comment. And last but not least, my channel is very new. I usually don't even review any audio gadgets here, but if you enjoyed watching, I would really appreciate your support for my creative experiment on YouTube. So please subscribe, leave a comment, share, and welcome back to my other videos. So happy listening, everyone, and bye for now.